Tired of your Fire TV stick limiting your viewing choices? Let's unlock a world of entertainment by enabling installations from unknown sources. This will allow us to install apps that aren't in the Amazon App Store first. From your Fire TV stick's home screen, use your remote to scroll right and select Settings, represented by the gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down. You'll be looking for an option called My Fire TV or Device and Software. Select it to proceed. Inside My Fire TV or Device and Software, find the section that says Developer Options. Select Developer Options to open that menu. Here's where the magic happens. In the Developer Options menu, you'll see a toggle labeled Install Unknown Apps or similar wording. Select it. Now, a list of your installed apps will appear. Find the app you'll be using to install the apps not available in the Amazon App Store. This will likely be a file manager or a web browser app. I'll be using the Downloader app for this tutorial. Select the app from the list. Finally, turn the toggle tool on for the selected app. This gives it permission to install apps from unknown sources. You've done it. You can now install apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. Remember to only install apps from sources you trust. Happy streaming!